Hey folks, it's Rabbi Donald Maher here at the Med Solutions Clinic in Lockhart, Texas, and I'm here to debunk the alkaline water myth. Listen, if you're being sucked in by this vortex called alkaline water, I want to expose the goofyville behind it. You know, your body is like a wet cell battery, and when your brain sends a signal, for instance, I'm blinking my eyes, moving my face, there is an electrical signal that goes to those muscles or organs or whatever it might be in order to stimulate that activity. So if your cell lacks fluid, you're going to have a difficult time conducting electricity. So take a look here. We have us a little setup here. We've got our MyO2 meds and our Formula 513. We've got an 8th grade science project going on here. And no, we're not doing shots. We've got an alkaline water or acidity water pH tester, and we've also got some cheap, no-name brand drinking water. Okay, I'm going to show you some things here, so follow along with me if you will. So this is alkaline water. I did spend $2 for a gallon of water, folks. I mean to tell you, I'm ashamed. So let's pour some in here. All right, and this is the alkaline water. So what I have here is I've got a electronic or electrical continuity tester, and I'm going to pull out a nice silver $50, and we're going to show that we've got continuity. So take a look here, okay? All right, so alkaline water, $2 a gallon. Electrical, I'm sorry, this is my silver $50, and so when I touch that, I am bridging the gap between those two broken circuits, and we're just going to show you that every time your brain sends a signal to your heart, you want to have a good clear synapse. So when you place that live circuit into that alkaline water, which I spent $2 too much for, all right, we're not getting any continuity across that barrier. So let's take a look at how good this this alkaline water is. So we know that it doesn't conduct any electricity, which is really a problem if I am an electrical individual. I'm going to take this no-name brand water. We're going to pour it in here. And look what happens when we put that one in there. It does equally nothing. So they're equally useless. Only one costs $3.99 for a case, and one costs $2 for a gallon. So what can we do? Can we make this water healthy? The bottom line is I'm going to show you that this cheap water that I purchased at local Sam's or Walmart is acidic. This is alkaline, and we're going to prove it to you right now. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to put my cheap bottle of water, and we're going to fill this up. Good. And we're also going to take some of our alkaline water, and we're going to try to fill up the other one. Okay? So here's what we're looking at doing. I want to show you that alkaline versus acidity have very little to do with the value of this water. Sorry, I don't know how to pour very good. All right, so on one side, we've got our alkaline water over here, which we have not put in our phenol red yet. We're going to do that now. And so with 1 drop of phenol red, we will be able to test the pH level or the acidity, alkalinity of this water, all right? And so one thing I'll tell you is that $2 water truly is alkaline, okay? And so now as we look through here, we can see that there is clearly a very distinctive difference. This is alkaline water. This is acidic water. I paid $2 for this one. I paid $3.99 for a whole case of this one, all right? Now, let's test these waters and see if by chance this alkaline water does me any better than these two. Remember, this was alkaline water, and we have no light, okay? And this is acidic water, and again, we have no light, all right? So let's go back to there. I'm going to take our tester here, and we're going to remove the lid. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this alkaline water, which is supposed to be so good for you. We're going to put it into our little votive candle, and we're going to test and see The fact that this is definitely alkaline water, does it light the lamp? And it does not one iota. Therefore, it is no bueno. Now watch. It's not the tester. It's the fluid. It does not work, okay? So let's change it. Let's take and add our Formula 513. This is going to make this product alkaline, and let's show you that. So let's take our acidic water, and I am going to put 1 drop of my Formula 513 liquid ionic magnesium chloride. That's 1 drop, folks. I'm going to seal this back up, and we're going to shake it. Now tell me what you see there. That is 100%, that's 9.2 pH. That is as pH as you can get, and that was with 1 drop of Formula 513. Now, what I'm going to do is take this empty votive bottle jar here. We're going to pour all of that in here, and we're going to show you. Let's switch these around. This is my alkaline water, and this over here is my cheap water on the right, because I want it to be the right one. And look what happens to our light. We've got light. We've got something going on there. That means that there is actually electrical continuity that is flowing through. Let's see if I can get you a good, see that? It's on. That's what we're looking to do. We want to create electrical continuity across the blood-brain barrier, from the brain to the cells, to the organs, to the cells of the organ system. That's how we maintain good health. So let's go back, and we've got this going now. We know that this was cheap water. We made it healthy. We made it wholesome. We added minerals. Let's go ahead and do what they say, which is drink lots of this dead water. And let's see if we can show you what happens to the light bulb, which means cognitive impairment as well as organ system failure. Look at that light go out. It just went out by putting dead water on there. So let's try something else. If you think that the alkaline water is somehow going to save our life, let's go back to the alkaline water and see that it's still out. There's no light going to happen, but I can go ahead and let you buy expensive water, and we'll add a drop or 2 of our Formula 513 and watch what happens to that light bulb as we do that. Now that is a light bulb, folks. This is what you need to do, is save your money on this alkaline water and buy yourself and your family the Formula 513 and the MyO2 meds from www.myo2meds.com. I guarantee you in 7 days, you will feel better than you felt in years. And that's a guarantee. There's no foolishness. It doesn't take a month. It takes us several days. And if you can be faithful for 7 days, I promise you results. You call me today, formula at myo2meds.com, 512-376-2877. That's 512-376-2877. We want to hear from you. If you're dealing with cancer, hypertension, diabetes, you're dealing with digestive issues, folks, you owe it to yourself to explore this solution and stop trying all these different formulas and potions and notions and lotions. It's time for solutions from Rabbi Donald Maher and the Maher family at myo2meds.com. Join the family. I promise you'll never be healthier than you are on the meds. Not medicine. There's no need for medicine when you have MyO2 meds. I'm Rabbi Don saying thanks for tuning in and spending this time with me. We look forward to hearing from you. 512-376-2877. That's MyO2 meds. MYO, the number 2, meds.